Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Frederick Rodriguez, top 1 in the October 2005 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Fred.
So methods of fire extinguishment tayo. So actually class, itong 3 and 4 pareho lang yan. Okay, pareho lang yan. So essentially, parang ano lang tayo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Okay? Sige. Methods of extinguishment is cooling. Palalamigin natin. So ano kaya ang, di ba meron tayong fire triangle? Anong element of fire ang tinatanggal sa cooling? Okay, Jezabel, salamat. Nakita na natin. Sige, let's proceed. So anong elements of fire kaya ang tinatanggal sa cooling? Okay, para mabawasan natin yung ano. Okay, heat, very good. Ayan, heat. Okay, heat. So anong madalas na ginagamit sa cooling? Ito, tandaan nyo na rin yung chemical name ng water, H2O. Okay. Yung blanketing naman class, ang ginagawa natin is, okay, sorry, ang ano pala magkasama ito, blanketing or smothering, pareho lang yan. Ang tinatanggal natin is oxygen. Okay? Oxygen. Okay? But usually kasi, bakit pinaghiwalay siguro ng author to? Blanketing usually, literally blanketing. Okay, ginagamitan ng kumot para hindi makapasok ang oxygen. But usually itong smothering, ito yung mga foam extinguisher. Okay, pero pareho lang yan, tatanggalin natin ang oxygen. Tapos yung removing or starving, gugutumin yung apoy, ang tinatanggal natin, fuel. Then interruption of chemical reaction, okay, para pigilan yung reaction ng apat na yon. Take note kasi ang pagkabuhay or pagkamatay ng apoy is base sa tinatawag na proper admixture. May apoy na pag binuhusan mo ng tubig lalong liliyab. Meron namang apoy na mamamatay. O yun. Tamang sayaw lang ng tatlo na to. Heat, oxygen, and fuel. Okay, so interrupt natin ngayon yan. Okay? So yun yung importance nung pag-alam natin sa triangles of fire. And syempre yung fire tetrahedron. May kinalaman sa method of extinguishment. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung ano ng combustion, may exothermic reaction, combination of fuel, oxygen, and heat. Then it produces smoke, light, and heat. Ito ngayon yung fire. Okay, ito yung kabuuan ng fire. Alright? So, the chemical reaction between fuel, heat, and oxygen is combustion. Tapos yung fire, o the active principle of burning, also known as combustion. Right? Let us see. Basically, fire has 3 important elements for its sustenance. Authorities, however, establish what is known as the 4th element of fire. So, ano yung 4th element ulit, class? To make it fire tetrahedron. Sagot? Very good. Nakuha agad. Okay. Uninhibited chemical chain reaction. Okay. So, proceed. So, ito to. Okay. Alright. So, ito. Alagay na. Tandaan nyo na yan. Tatlo. So, kung fire tetrahedron ang pinili, ibig sabihin, you include this chemical chain reaction. Subukan nyo nga ito, class. Normally, fire feeds in all direction. But the least likely path a fire will follow is. So when you say least likely, alin dito yung path na hindi mo makikita or hindi mo aasahan na magiging travel or galaw ng apoy? O isama natin yung flame. Take note ha, ano ulit yung fire? Ano ulit yung flame? Flame is a hot, gaseous, radiant fire. Okay. And yung mismong fire na. The answer is, ganito, tingnan nyo. Downward. Bakit kaya? Tingnan natin. Okay. Okay, tingnan nyo to class. Pag naka-vertical yung kandila, vertical din yung apoy. Paano pag naka-lateral sa sahig? So, pansinin nyo yung apoy, hindi imbes na dumiretso sa tayo ng kandila sa source, hindi, naka-vertical din. So, pag itong kandila naman na to, ilagay natin dito, upside down, yung apoy, ganun pa din, nakatayo. O, pag iniipan mo yan at hindi masyadong malakas ang ipon, pwedeng sideward, okay? Pwedeng upward. Okay? Ayan. Pwedeng upward, pwedeng southward, sideward, pwedeng outward, lateral. Parang ganito lang din yan. Pareho lang yan. Okay? So, bakit hindi bumababa yung apoy? Bakit hindi bumababa? Kasi nga, class, ang flame ay isang gas. At basic sa science natin na ang hot gas ay ano ang hot gas? Ano ang hot gas? Light. Ibig sabihin magaan. Okay? Kaya nga meron tayong gumagana yung tinatawag na hot air balloon. May LPG pa sa tuktok mo pag pinipiloto mo ang hot air balloon. Okay, so yung ang nagpapalipad dun sa hot air balloon ay yung magaan na gas na pinainit nung LPG tank, nung apoy ng LPG tank. Okay? So, anong kinalaman nato ngayon? Kung sakaling nagkaroon ng sunog sa second floor class, okay? Ang unang masusunog ay yung etong part na to. Okay? Ngayon, kung naubos na yung fuel at malakas pa yung apoy, saka siguro bababa. Okay? Pero pag naagapan ng ganyan, dito muna, upward, sideward, dahil siguro sa hangin, and outward laterally. Same with sideward. Okay? So again, yun yung mga ilang tricky question lang din sa fire. Okay? So least likely is downward. Okay? Ito naman, what moves rapidly by convection and can spread laterally? So ang tricky dito kasi convection is isa sa paraan para kumalat ang apoy. So ang init. So pwedeng dito. Pero pag nakita mo kasi, ito, spread laterally. Okay? Along the ceiling. Pero kaya parang sinabing nakikita mo yung element na yan. Ayan. Okay? So kung dito nangyari ang sunog, ang usok, syempre aakyat, pero dahil hindi niya kayang ma-penetrate ang kisame, lateral. Ayan, lateral sa, kung ito yung ceiling, lateral. Okay? Tapos bababa yan. So ano naman yung tawag dito sa kilos na to na pag tumama sa ceiling, bababa, tapos may usok pang mas mainit, itutulak na yung pababa yung mas malamig na usok. We call it mushrooming. Okay? Mushrooming parang itsurang kabuti. May mushrooming of smoke. That's why class, isa sa firefighting technique, okay, ay bubutasin yung bubong or kisame. O later on, alamin natin ano yung mga klase ng pagbutas na yun, or we call it ventilation. Okay? So, ano yung smoke? Technical definition is a collection of airborne, solid and liquid particulates. So take note class, ang smoke is not totally a gas. It is small, very tiny, solid, sometimes liquid particles, and gases. So lahat na andun na, maliliit na na solid, maliliit na liquid, may gas din. Okay, emitted when the material undergoes combustion or pyrolysis. Alright? Ito yung smoke. Halo-halo na dyan, may gas, May maliliit na liquid, particles, and solid. Okay? So the following are essential elements of fire except, alin dito yung hindi essential element of fire, class? Very good. Okay, solid. Ito lang ha. Okay. Ayan. Then, so fuel, anything that will burn. Tapos ang definition lang naman ng oxygen, class, ayan. Oxidizing agent yun na yun. So you don't have to know ano yung mga chemical terms yan. Basta oxygen is the oxidizing agent. And heat, ito yung tinatawag na it is a form of energy which is considered as the source of ignition naman. Okay? Source of ignition. Right? Ngayon. Okay, essential element. Okay, punta na tayo sa ano yung mga compressed, liquefied, cryogenic. Okay? Memorize nyo to ha. Okay, memorize nyo to. So galing to sa Republic Act 9514 yung definition of terms. So ano daw yung kind of gas that exists solely in the gaseous state under pressure and at normal temperature is inside container. Yung iba kasing kaslas, pag nasa loob ng container, nagiging liquid. Pero itong mga klase ng gas na to, pag nasa under pressure sa isang container, remain in gaseous state. So anong tawag dito? Ito yung tawagin natin ay mga compressed gas. Okay, compressed gas. Okay, also known as non-liquefied. Okay, so kabaliktaran ng gas. Itong compressed and liquefied gas class, pareho lang nasa container to. Ano example ng liquefied gas? Yung LPG. Okay? Ngayon, dito muna tayo. Ano yung mga non-liquefied gas? Ibig sabihin, gas, maski nasa container yan, remain in gas. O, syempre, oxygen, nitrogen, yung helium. Ayan, yung helium. Pamputang ng balloon. And argon. And take note class, all of these are flammable. Okay? Pag nainitan to, nag-expand yung gas, pag sumabog, it can produce flame din or fire. Okay, that's why bawal na bawal manigarilyo sa hospital. Actually, not because of the patient. Dahil dito sa secondary lang yung mga patient, but because of this, mga oxygen tank na punong-puno. Okay. Yung liquefied gas naman class, ang nangyayari dito, becomes liquid at normal temperature kapag nasa loob ng cylinder under pressure. So, nakuha niya, liquefied gas. Yung LPG natin, yun ay liquefied gas. Okay, so kung papansin nyo, yung LPG natin, pag puno, parang ang laman tubig. Okay, but actually, yun ay gas. Okay, na naging liquid kasi nasa loob ng container, pressurized container. Dissolved gases naman is, basta tandaan nyo lang to, being dissolved into another material. Basta ano yung mga categories ng gas natin na nasa container? Unang-una, compressed gas. So ano yung compressed gas? Gas siya. Okay, remain a gas in gaseous state pag nasa loob ng pressurized container. Liquefied gas class, okay, na nananatiling liquid kapag nasa loob ng cylindric, mga containers na to. Yung dissolved gas, okay, dissolve into other material, usually solid na naging gas. Example is acetylene. Okay, alam niyo ba kung saan nanggaling tong acetylene gas na to? Ito ay pinaghalong tubig usually at nung karburo. Sinong mahilig sa inyo ng mahilig magpaputok ng bamboo cannon? O yun, karburo. Okay? Calcium carbide. Ito naman yung gamit ng acetylene. Okay? Pamputol ng bakal, sobrang init niyan. Okay? So pansinin niyo class, itong mga compress atong mga mga gas na to sa container, okay, highly flammable tong mga to. Okay. Ano naman yung cryogenic? Pabalik naman ha. Yung mga napag-aralan natin, nagpro-produce ng init, ang cryogenic naman ito. Rapid drop in temperature in the immediate surrounding. So ang cryogenic pala ay mga gases or materials that it can produce cooling effect. Okay. Example is liquid nitrogen. Okay. Ayan. So liquid So ayan. So ibig sabihin pag ginawakan mo yan, malamig yan. Kayang palamigin yung paligid. Ang tawag dito, cryogenic. Ay, tandaan nyo yan. Itong mga definition na to hindi nawawala sa mga examinations.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!